Hi everybody, my name is Miss Swail and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. Yes, it's a YouTube channel where you can learn Papiamentu. Are you ready to learn Papiamentu with me? Say yes, I'm ready. Now, can you say it in Papiamentu? Say si, mita kla. Let's say it together. Si, mita kla. Hopi bom, which means really good. Good job. This is the color red. Yes, it's a red car. Now, let's say it in Papiamentu. Kara. Red is kara in Papiamentu. Can you say it together with me? Kara. Kara. Yes, good job. Hopi bom. Kara, kara. Red like an apple. Kara, kara. Red like a heart. This is blue. This is a blue ball. Can we say it in Papiamentu? Blow. Blow. Yes. Can you say it? Say blow. Hopi bom. Good job. Blow. Blow, blow. Blue like the sea. Blow, blow. Come sing with me. Ribbit, ribbit. This is yellow. A yellow frog. Can you say it in Papiamentu? Hill. Hill. Yellow is hill in Papiamentu. Can you say it again? Hill. Hopi bom. Hill. Hill, hill. Bright like the sun. Hill, hill. Learning is fun. You guys are doing amazing. This broccoli is green. Yes, green broccoli. And green is verde in Papiamentu. Verde. Can you say that with me? Say verde. Verde. Good job. Let's say that again. Say verde. Hopi bom. Say verde. Verde. Leaves on the tree. Verde. Verde. Come sing with me. These are orange. Orange gloves. Can we say it in Papiamentu? Oranho. Oranho. Yes. Orange is oranho in Papiamentu. Can you say it again? Say oranho. Oranho. Good job. Hopi bom. Oranho. Oranho, oranho. An orange is oranho. Oranho, oranho. Yes, an orange is oranho. This object is pink. Pink. Do you know what pink is in Papiamentu? It is ros. Ros. Can you say ros? Say it again. Ros. Good job. Ros. Ros, ros. Ros like a dress. Ros, ros. Ros like a flower. This shoe is black. Black is preto in Papiamentu. Can you say that with me? Say preto. Preto. Good job. Let's say that again. Preto. Yes, black is preto in Papiamentu. Preto, preto, Preto like the night. Preto, 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 but it's all right. These sunglasses are white. White sunglasses. Do you know what white is in Papiamentu? It is blanco. Can you say blanco? Blanco. Yes, good job. Blanco. Let's say it again. Let's say it together. Say blanco, 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 the colors of the clouds. Blanco, blanco, let's say it out loud. Blanco. Karahel, blåi, verde, orange, rose, preto y blanco. I can say my colors now in Papiamentu. Wow, wow, wow! That was so much fun, everybody! I am so excited that you are here to learn Papiamentu with me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!